Are you stressed about school already, even though it's just started? Don't worry, we have all been there. But what if I told you there is a way to fight the stress and actually enjoy school this year? The answer is simpler than you think. Study from day one. The incredible benefits of studying from day one are better understanding of concepts, increased confidence, and time management. So what is better understanding of concept? Regular study habit keeps information fresh in your head, making it easier to learn and build on new concepts as the year progresses. Imagining understanding all concepts easily instead of feeling lost in the sea of confusion. Increased confidence. Mastering those early topics creates a solid foundation. Understanding of the basics gives you the confidence to tackle tougher subjects later. No more feeling overwhelmed. You will be ready to conquer anything. An initial small win makes winning a habit. Time management. Staying on top of things from the beginning means less last minute stress and more free time for your things you love, like hobbies, hanging out with friends, or even seeing one or two of your favorite movies. Imagine the possibilities with all that extra time. Studying from day one isn't just about grades. It's about setting yourself up for success in your future profession and making the most of your school experience and saving incredible amount of time and having a happy, fulfilling and adventure-filled school year. Thank you.